slow cooker, pressure cooker, warmer.
Hey, this is Artisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta, and I'm about to do an unboxing. I'm about to open up my InstaPot, finally. It's October, and I got it for Mother's Day. I really wanted it, but I just hadn't taken the time to really get to know it because it has so much stuff going on with it. I used to not think I could cook without Al Green, but I'm gonna turn Al off. I get inspired, honey, by the oldies but goodies. Okay, so this InstaPot, it's a 9-in-1, and it just excites me. And it's the InstaPot app. I gotta download the app. I gotta tell you how that is. But it's a 9-in-1 pressure cooker, saute pan, slow cooker, a rice cooker. I love a rice cooker, a food warmer, a yogurt maker, a cake maker. They ought to cut it out. I don't know about making no cake in here. It says it serves up to 8 multi-use pressure cooker. I just want the slow cooker portion for tonight. Easy one-touch cooking. 15 preset programs for soups, beans, rice, and ribs. Easy seal lid. Seals automatically and releases steam at the touch of a button. Okay. All right, InstaPot. I know, it's just been seeming so cool. It says what's included. Sealing rings, 2 sealing rings, condensation collector, get the water and the moisture. Steam rack with handles. So if you want to put a turkey or something down in there to pull it out. Okay, that's cool. A getting started guide, a safety and maintenance warranty. Okay, and then, okay, so it tells you about the steam release valves. See, I'm using the slow cooker on this. You see, I had to pull out my glasses so that I can see. I guess I should turn this way, am I? This is what happens when you do it by yourself. Hello, thank you for welcoming us into your kitchen. Get ready to experience fun, healthy cooking in an instant. Visit instapot.com/viva for how-to videos and tips and more. Bonjour. Oh, how cute. Oh, and register your product and download the full user's manual. Honey, everything is coming with that little code on it now, so they don't have to print all this stuff. But it's really kind of good because I always feel obligated to keep these little books and I don't never look at them. If I look at them the first time, after the first time, I never refer back to them, and I always have a drawer full of books. Everything might as well be digital now. Okay. Oh, cooking timetables. This is a chart to tell you how much you should cook. Everything. I'm doing some turkey necks. That's extremely southern. Do they have turkey on here? Turkey necks. Ooh, this is nice. I would like to laminate that. I have a laminator. I like to laminate that and keep that. And this is a maintenance guide, how to take care of it. I don't want to look at that because I want it to last as long as possible. Ooh. Listen, I done used and abused so many pressure cookers and slow cookers. I'm sure I can handle this. All right. So it's packed sturdy enough, I know that. Goodness gracious. I feel like I should keep this and store it in there, but I also feel like, oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I feel like I'm going to use it so much. I'm not going to have time for that box. I'm throwing that box away. I got enough sniznik in my doggone pantry and closet. Okay, this is the quick release button. Steam release is automatically set to the sealing position when the lid is closed. Okay, the venting position, that's just like, that's how it is on any pressure cooker. Okay, and so this is press, you got a little arrow on here. It says press to vent, turn to stop. Okay, and see when I finish and I turn it to stop and it vents, all the steam comes out. Okay, and that's what that's talking about right there. And I think they want that to stay on there. Oh, it's so nice and it's It's all big and pretty. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, that's the seal. And because it's a 9-in-1, the type of lid or seal that you would have for a pressure cooker is different from a slow cooker. It has to be. Read packaging, warning cards, and warning labels. Remove all packaging materials and removable warning cards from the cooker and accessories. Read important safeguards in the manual before using the pressure cooker. Do not place hands, face, or unprotected skin over the steam release handle while cooker is in operation. Who would do that? There's hot steam coming out of there. When doing the initial test run, fill the inner pot with 3 cups of water. Oh, they want you to do a test one. Okay, it's telling you not to fill it more than 2/3 full. Makes sense, makes sense. Everything is, oh, this is the condensation container. This is the little basket. Okay, cute, cutesy. I like it. You don't need to tell a grown woman not to put her face over the hot steam, but I guess it needs to be said. All right, that is my little basket. Oh, it's saying only cook in this to reduce the risk of shock, which says that you probably could cook in there, but it's telling you not to. Make sure the heating elements are free from grease and debris. Do not leave food on the heating elements. Use only genuine InstaPot inner pots for cooking. The heating elements are inside. Can you see that? This is so nice. It's so big. It's bigger than the one I had. This is why I love it. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to bake a cake in here to show y'all so we can see what's up with a cake. A cake for real, because it's a button on the front that says cake. All right. Ooh, look at it. Let me rinse this out. Oh, it has lines 2/3 and half. You shouldn't go over 2/3. You see that? This is nice. Oh, it's so clean. But I want to rinse it out because I am ready. I'm ready to use this. Okay. Soup and broth, meat and stew, bean and chili, rice, multigrain, porridge. Porridge? Really? Sterilized yogurt, pressure cook, saute, slow cook, eggs. Oh, boiling eggs. Pressure level, keep warm, delay start, cancel. Okay. I like. We're getting ready to see what's up with this. So is this the seal? It already has a seal on here. Now let me read it and see. Okay, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to throw my turkey necks in here. Let me read. Multi-use pressure cooker. Initial setup. I just want to verify. Welcome to the world of instant cooking. I like it. I like it. And I'm going to download the app. And maybe from my bed I can turn it off. Okay. Alrighty. Did all that. Top of the lid. Bottom of the lid. Sealing ring. All of that. I know that. Then cooker base, cooker handles. Oh, so nice. I'm so excited. I got me an InstaPot, y'all. I've been had one, but now I'm using it. I finally broke the last handle off my other one. Oh, Lord. When the cooker is plugged in, it will play a jingle. Oh, when the lid is opened and closed. Okay. Grip handle and turn lid counterclockwise until it's aligned. Okay. Oh, that's the open and then it's the close. Okay, it's all simple. I know how to do all of this. I was showing how to pressurize and depressurize. I was showing how to install. That red ring is for the pressure cooker. Okay, I guess that's showing how to remove and install everything for cleaning. Okay, where did we install this condensation collector? This is really good. Where is it saying it goes? Because the what was this? No, I'm saying it. It's saying, I hate when stuff be backwards for the left hand. I don't know, but I'm not going to do. That's for the pressure cooker, and so I will I'll figure out how to put that on when I use the pressure cooker, which will be shortly. Initial test run. That's the water test. Here, pressure cook. I'm not doing that. I want to just get right to the slow cooker. I don't want to cook in 5. Slow cooker. Okay. Ensure quick release button on is set to vent position. It says optionally use a glass lid for slow cooking. Yeah, I like that. I like that, but it didn't come with one. I guess they want you to buy one, a glass lid. Yeah, I like to be able to see on my pressure cooking situations as well. Okay, so this is good. So this is the InstaPot, honeys.
Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.